In today's tutorial, we will be looking at how to create an event or a meeting in Google Calendar. If you've been wondering how to go about that, then do well to watch the entire video. The first thing you need to do is to open a new browser and then open a new tab. After that, you navigate your mouse to Google Apps and select Google Calendar from this portion. From here, we would navigate our mouse to Create, click on Create, and beneath create, there are a couple of items like event, task, and appointment schedule. We will go ahead and select event because we are creating an event and the event is the same as a meeting. Okay. The event can be anything actually. It can be a meeting or anything that you want it to be. Over here, we will add a title of the event. So I'll say Google Calendar, right? And then from here, you're going to select the day, the date, and the time. So you just click on it, and then if it's an event that will be happening in the future, you can then go ahead and select probably 29th. And if you want to have a proper overview, you're just going to select more options. Then you can have a better view of what you are doing. So over here, we have the date that we selected and the time. It can be from 6:30 p.m. to 7. You can change the time zone. You just have to click on it and then you select from this drop down. Okay. If the meeting or the event is in another time zone, you're going to select from this drop down. If not, then you maintain your time zone. Okay. If you're done with that, and then you select OK. From there, if it's an event that will be happening all day, you select all day. If it's an event that you want to be repeated daily, select daily. If you want it to be repeated on weekly, every week on Tuesdays, you do that. Every month on the last Tuesday, you do that. And annually, you do that. If you want to customize this, you click on custom and then you can say that repeat every 3 times or 4 times in a week. And then you select that. When we navigate our mouse to the event details over here, you can decide to add a Google Meet video conferencing. When you click on this, a meeting link will be added for you in case it's an online meeting. You're going to do that. And if you want to change a couple of things regarding this meeting, you have to click on settings. And then over here, you can do your changes. Like for instance, the meeting moderation. If you're a host, these are the things you can let your contributors do. And then the meeting access, you can read through and then click on save. If it's an in-person event or a meeting, you can add a location here and you can add notification as well. So it can be email or SMS. And the notification can be 30 minutes or 20 minutes before. It can be in minutes, hours, days, or weeks. From here, you can also select the event color and select tomato, or let's go with blueberry. And if you are sharing your calendar with others, especially if you are using company emails, it will mark on that day. If you be busy, it will mark as busy on your calendar. But if you are not busy on that day, it will mark as free. You can select free from this portion. But if you would be busy, it would be busy automatically. It's default for you. And the default visibility, you don't have to do anything here. You can leave it as it is. But in case you want to read more, you can always click on this question mark and you can know more about that. In case you want to add more details about what the event or the meeting is going to be about, you can add a description. You can insert other documents using Google Drive. You can write something and edit using bold, italic, underline, numbered list, and bulleted list. You can insert a link and you can remove formatting as well. Now, if you are looking to learn more about Google Drive, do want to check out the next video on this video. Okay, don't miss it. Now, over here at guest, you're going to click on add guest and you can add your guest over here as well. Okay, you can add your guest as many as you want, the people that you would want them to invited to this event or meeting. Now, these are some of the guest permissions. If you don't want your guest to modify this event, uncheck this box because when you allow your guest to modify your event, You no longer have control over your own event. So it's not advisable to check this box. So just leave it as it is. You can allow your guests to invite others as well, and they can see the guest list. After you are done with all this, you can cross check everything to make sure that everything is good. Then you click on save. When you click on save, you get a pop-up that will say that would you like to send invite to the email addresses that you add as your guest. If yes, you click on yes. You click on just send, it will send the invite. If you don't want that, you click on do not send. But we want them to be notified of this event, because if you don't notify them, they wouldn't know or be aware that something like this is happening on this particular date. So do well to always send invite. So click on send, and now we have our meeting over here. It's going to be in your calendar. So you select it like this. In case you want to edit, you can always edit the event with this pencil icon here. You click on it, you are back to editing. You can edit anything that you want here and click on save. There's also more actions here. You can take more actions like print. You can print this event, you can delete the event, you can duplicate the event, you can publish this event, you can change owner as well. So in case you don't want to moderate this event anymore, you click on change owner, you enter the new person's email address, you attach a short message like I would like to transfer ownership of this event. And when you're done with all that, you click on change owner, and everything moderation regardless of the meeting will be transferred to that particular person. So that is it. When you're done, you click on save and you are good to go. So even with the more options, you can delete the event here. And when you click on options, for instance, you can print the same thing. You can print, duplicate, publish event, publish this instance of the event, and you can change owner as well. So that is it about creating an event or a meeting in Google Calendar. Do want to check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.